Hello, traders within the chart here. It's been a pretty insane week, especially on Tuesday, due to the core CPI news that came out. Um, insane movements, by the way. Market went in our intended direction, with it shot to the upside, which is what we wanted. We're currently in a correction right now, so we'll see what happens. We broke out of resistance, new support is created, so maybe we can get another push to the upside, a correction to the downside, something like a descending channel or a falling wedge to go back to the upside again, since volume is being built up here. So we will see what is going to happen with the dollar index next week, or yeah, just sorry about that, just next week. Whoa, yeah, just next week. But yeah, market does seem like it is in some kind of a range right now. It's not doing anything particular with the dollar index, especially after all of this momentum to the upside. This was just insane, by the way. But yeah, what we are currently looking at right now is, well, nothing really. It's just correctiveness. It's just corrections on corrections. Just this range. So hopefully we can get something like this again next week. Push to the downside maybe to support, and then just stay on a little correction to the upside, and then we'll see what the market gives us. But we are not looking at anything on the dollar index for now. Well, yeah, for now. Which one is this? Oil. With oil, we've been looking to push to the upside. We've been looking to push to the upside. As I do recall, we had this previous area right here where we wanted price to come back to and retest so that we can push to the upside. Initially, during the week, we did get this we did get this initial corrective structure. I was kind of hoping that price would come back into this area again, tap in, and then push to the upside, creating that inverse head and shoulders right here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and well, basically a push to the upside. But then that did not happen. Instead, the market, it gave us hope that it was going to come back and give us this push, but then by creating this channel, but then it never did. Instead, the market pushed to the upside, rallied to the upside, should I say. And right now, we are currently in this kind of bearish momentum to the downside, maybe. Maybe we can get a corrective structure right here, come back into these areas before tapping and pushing up to the upside again. But I don't know. We'll never know what happens with the market. We just have to react upon what we see. We're not gonna be forecasting the future or anything like that. Nope. So yeah, as far as I'm concerned, what I'm looking at right now, this could be our right shoulder before price pushes to the upside again. So yeah, this could be our double bottom. Maybe volume is being built up here, but it is also possible that price can break these lows, come back to the previous lows, break the previous highs, retest, and then push to the upside again. But then we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's oil. Nothing serious, nothing hectic. We just continue to wait. Just do that. Let me check. Let me just do this. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. I don't see anything right now besides more momentum to the upside. We just gotta be patient with what price is doing right here, and yeah, we will soon see what happens with oil as well. Yeah, that's oil. Probably just do this. Oh yeah, that's just oil. GBP NZD was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. We did forecast that. Um, should I leave this on? I mean, we've already seen what happened. Let me just remove this. we've already noticed a price push to the upside. We did not get to our actual targets, which are up there, but then that doesn't matter. Price push to the upside, and I did say once we break these lows or the lower lows and retest again, I would be looking for an entry around these areas to push to the upside again, which we did get. But yeah, we reached those previous highs, these highs as well, but then we couldn't reach these ones, and while price kept, instead of pushing to the upside like I thought it would, and maybe we get a corrective structure and then push to the upside again, or just a larger flag that'll develop right here, I don't know, and then push the upside. We never got that. Price came back down. It's possible, very possible, that price can just correct to these previous highs again right here. Maybe volume is being built there, so that price may come back and push to the downside again. I do potentially see, if such a scenario happens, that we can create such a flag. Maybe it can go back up, reach these highs again before coming back down again. But then, yeah, we can't see that far. Can't see that far into the future. Like, I do have foresight. Nope, I do not. So yeah, that's that. Oh, Euro CHF. Beautiful. Last time we did forecast that it's possible that price may reach our point of interest, and that it would be possible that price would come to these highs where volume is being built up. Maybe we can come back here, push down again, retest the previous highs, giving us head and shoulders, and then a push to the downside again. But then we'll see what happens if price does come to this area. For now we're just focusing right here. If price does push to the downside again, it would be wise to wait for a creative structure and then a push to the downside again. I don't advise just getting in right here, because there's nothing right there. Even right now, price is correcting over here. So price is correcting over here. So it's plausible that we could still push to the upside, But yeah, we'll just wait and see what happens. For now, this is on our watch list, Euro CHF. Well, I did say that when the dollar index is going to push up, then Euro USD is going to push down. So there's really nothing much to say here. CPI came in, news was positive, dollar index pushed up, Euro USD pushed down. There's nothing to say. There's nothing to see right now as well. I don't see any structure, just more lower lows and lower highs, and that's it. Euro AD, we did forecast that we had structure like so. If I do remember, yeah, this is what we had last time. We did say that or I did say that price would form a correction here and then push to the downside, hopefully coming to take out these lows before pushing back to the upside again. Price, well, it did not come back to these lows, but then we did make it 90% of the way there, and price did push to the upside. We took out these highs, and right now price is coming back to probably retest these lows again. But then we'll see what happens with that, because Euro AUD currently right now is in a range as well. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna update my trend lines, and that's that. We'll see what happens with Euro AUD. Yeah, that's Euro AUD. GBP USD, same thing with Euro USD. When the dollar index pushed up, it pushed down. It would have been much better if price came back to retest this area again, but then it did not. Going down to the 1 hour. What am I saying? What am I seeing? Why did I put that horizontal line? Huh? I don't know. I put that there. Weird. But yeah, it would have been better if price did come back to retest this area one more time before it let go to the downside. But then hey, price can't always be perfect. I think at the time I had these sort of structures up on screen.